I'm Jory from Utah, and we're going to talk about how to build or hang a microwave wall cabinet. When we're putting up our microwave in our microwave cabinet, there are two different kinds of microwave cabinets typically. There are a few other options, but the two main ones are whether it comes in 3 sections or it's in 2 sections, or excuse me, 1 section. So if we have 3, this here is a microwave cabinet. This right here is all 1 section, and although it is upside down, for our purposes of the microwave section, I'm just going to kind of explain here. But we've got 1 cabinet here with a hole in the middle where our microwave will sit once we have it on the wall. If it were the other kind, we've got this cabinet, and this cabinet, which will all be separate. And we would need to attach all of those together and then put it on the wall. And you can kind of put it on the wall and just not fasten it completely to the studs quite yet. But otherwise, if we don't do it that way, sometimes we'll have some flex in our cabinets, and we don't want this cabinet sticking out, you know, 1 inch further than this cabinet. We want them to be level. That way our microwave can sit level in the microwave hole. Now, as far as hanging it goes, we're going to hang it the same way we've hung our other cabinets. We're going to make sure we find the studs. We're going to screw to the studs. If we have a face frame cabinet, we're going to screw a 2x2 to the wall and then screw through the top of the cabinet to the 2x2, and then also through the back of the cabinet into the studs. That way it holds it to the wall as well as, or to the top of the 2x2 as well as to the wall, so it doesn't bounce front to back. I'm Jory from Utah, and we've just talked about how to build or hang a microwave wall cabinet.